Hey everyone, it's John, the Carnivore Teacher. Welcome back to this mini-series, How Carnivore Heals the Organs of Our Body. Today, we're focusing on the skeletal system, the very framework that supports your body, protects your vital organs, and allows you to move, stand, and thrive. If you've ever wondered how nutrition affects your bones, or why animal-based nutrition can benefit your bone health like nothing else, stick around and let's dive in. So, what's the skeletal system? What does it do? It's an active living system comprised of bones, the structure and support of your body, joints, the spaces that enable movement and range of motion, connective tissues, including ligaments, tendons, and cartilage that hold the structure together, and bone marrow, the site of red blood cell production, and an essential component of immunity. Your skeleton does more than just hold you up. It protects vital organs like the brain, heart, and lungs, serves as a mineral reservoir storing calcium and phosphorus, enables movement in tandem with muscles, and houses bone marrow for making blood and immune cells. Strong bones aren't just about aesthetics or mobility. They're central to long-term resilience and health. So, what damages the skeletal system? Modern diets and habits can wreak havoc on your bones and connective tissue. High sugar and refined carbohydrates, chronic hyperglycemia and insulin resistance hamper bone metabolism, leading to weaker, brittle bones. Excess phytic acid and lectins, plant anti-nutrients, can interfere with mineral absorption, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and disrupt bone mineralization. Seed oils and inflammation. Chronic systemic inflammation damages bone and joint health over time. And nutritional deficiency. Lack of bioavailable protein, vitamin K2, vitamin D3, and collagen compromises bone density and resilience. These factors create an environment that promotes osteoporosis, arthritis, and long-term degeneration. How carnivore heals and protects the skeletal system. The carnivore approach provides your skeleton with precisely what it needs. Bioavailable minerals, rich in highly absorbable calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc. Animal protein delivers collagen, glycine, proline, and other amino acids vital for bone and connective tissue health. Vitamin D3 and K2, fat-rich animal foods like beef, egg yolks, and fatty fish support calcium metabolism and direct it to the bones, reducing arterial calcification. Anti-inflammatory action. By removing seed oils and refined carbs, you reduce the chronic low-grade inflammation that compromises bone strength and joint health. Hormonal support. Stable blood sugar and insulin levels foster an environment where bones can mineralize and maintain density throughout your life. In short, an animal-based approach gives your skeletal system the building blocks it evolved to utilize, allowing for robust bone health and resilience across your lifetime. The outcome? People adopting a carnivore or animal-based approach often notice stronger bones and improved bone density, reduced joint pain and discomfort, greater resilience and recovery from injuries, improved posture and range of motion, reduced risk of osteoporosis and bone degeneration. Feeding your skeleton what it needs means preserving its strength and structure for the long haul, making every step, every lift, and every breath stronger, freer, and more vital. So, your skeleton doesn't just tolerate an animal-based approach, it thrives on it. When you remove the irritants and deficiencies that come from a modern, highly processed, plant-heavy diet, you give your bones and connective tissue the raw materials required for health and resilience. In the next episode, we'll explore another vital part of your body and how carnivore can support its healing and strength. So stay tuned. If you've noticed improvements in bone health, joint comfort, or resilience on carnivore, I'd love to hear your story. Drop a comment and share your experience. I'm John, the Carnivore Teacher. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.